Honorable Chairman, जों आं अबसन तिसामानि मेन उद्देश्यखा गोबां मा जोंनि लेन्ड डकुमेन्ट दं किन्तु जों आरो नुगो जों बैंक राव थांगाय और डकुमेन्ट हइते कोनो लोन माया एवं जों नुगो जोंनि फरेस्ट राइट जे एक्ट दं मानि अ जागाबो जों विभिन्न पाटांनि जोंनि लैंड राइट दंफानो जों अबनो कुनु सामुं तांमाया आबन बागैनो अबसन तिरिति साजाव आं बेलाय ग्रिप खाइलिया जों हामबाय
motion House place Khaina.
Honorable Chairman, Tinini ani Musunka, the Citizen online news has published on date 9/12/2022 entitled Ground Report Tripura Who Owns the Tribal Land. It has been reported that most of tribal people have no clue of the Forest Right Act and land title in Sakaria Bari, Sikaria Bari, Kathalbari, Ambasa and Domdom ADC village near Unukoti. Some of the poor tribals have got land at allotment documents, but they have reportedly mortgaged their land documents for loans given by the local bank through to us. The money is usually followed away, leaving them in poverty. So they have neither land record nor cash to sustain their daily life. Therefore, it requires urgent inquiry by the concerned LRS Department TTADC. Hambai.